I'll walk you through the key steps of buying a home with a VA loan. First, check your VA loan eligibility through the VA Benefits portal. Request your Certificate of Eligibility on the VA website. Get pre-approved for your VA loan with a trusted lender. Closing costs include fees like title and escrow services. Then you will start house hunting with your VA loan benefits. You will make a competitive offer on your dream home. You're under contract. Next, inspections and appraisals. Be prepared for inspection costs and possible repairs for the home. The VA appraisal ensures your home meets safety standards and value. Final loan approval through underwriting is next. Closing day, sign the papers and get your keys. Move into your new home and start your next chapter. VA loans offer no down payment, no PMI, and low rates.